Now corporate companies will ask PF service history before releasing the offer letter. So previously corporate companies requested before triggering the background verification. Now corporate companies asking PF service history before releasing the offer letter, because most of the candidates hiding their past service history and submitting the documents in the background verification portal. When they do the verification, if background verification failed, okay, your corporate companies should pay amount to your background verification vendor. So if you hide your past service history, your background verification vendor will do the verification, then they will come with result saying that your background verification failed. Okay, so they cannot onboard you. However, they need to pay amount to background verification vendor because they did the verification, right? They want to recognize your past service history based on your PF account. That is why they are asking service history before releasing the offer letter. Nowadays, few companies, especially TCS, Mindtree and L&T, asking service history before releasing the offer letter. In upcoming days, all companies will ask service history. Please be careful. Don't hide your past service history. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.